Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to reveal the secrets of crafting the ultimate title, description, and tags for skyrocketing views on YouTube. So, let's dive right in. The title of your video is the first thing viewers will see. It should be catchy, intriguing, and relevant to your content. Do your keyword research and choose a title that includes popular search terms, but is unique and stands out from the competition. Remember, the title is your first chance to grab your audience's attention. Moving on to the video description. This is where you have the opportunity to provide more context about your video and engage your audience. Use relevant keywords in your description to boost your video's SEO. A well-written description not only helps YouTube understand your content, but also gives viewers a reason to watch your video. So, make it compelling. Now, let's talk about tags. Tags are like keywords that help YouTube categorize your video. Make sure to include specific and relevant tags that accurately describe your content. Use a mix of broad and specific tags, but remember not to overdo it. Using too many tags can confuse YouTube's algorithms. So, choose wisely. Now that you know the importance of crafting the perfect title, description, and tags for your YouTube videos, it's time to implement these strategies and watch your views skyrocket. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, mastering YouTube optimization takes time and practice. So don't get discouraged. Keep refining your titles, descriptions, and tags. And soon you'll be on your way to attracting more views and growing your YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more amazing content from our channel. Until next time.